Welcome everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about the viewers of your Instagram videos and how can you check them, what are some things you can do about it. First of all, there are some analytics available for your Instagram pages. So if you just open up the app and get inside, make sure to tap on your profile and whatever like video or stuff you click on, let's say it's actually going to be something that you posted, you can just click on the three dots and just click on the insights. And the information you can see in here is going to be somewhat limited, but you're still going to see some insights. In case you would like to see the exact followers and the people, like their accounts of every single view, it would quite literally be impossible. It just doesn't work that way. What you can do is only to check out the people and the accounts that liked your posts or videos, but you cannot do it for individual viewers. But you can get some sort of idea about the demographics of your audience. So this is also a very useful tool. So you might see that how many accounts have been reached with that post, in which like place where the impression occurring, the engagement activity. You can even boost it with ads and stuff. So it really is like really useful, right? Also, besides that, you can also just click on the dashboard in case you have that available, and you get it not only for one specific post or video, but for your entire account. And you can see the analytics for the past days. In case you, however, don't see it or you want to get like more information available, make sure to switch your account to the professional mode instead of the personal. So as you know, there are like different account types, and you might have the creator, personal, or the business. And if you do it for a business, then you're going to have the most amount of analytics possible. So make sure you go ahead and do that to get like more information about the followers and viewers of your content. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Hope you liked this. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below, and I will catch you in the future.